Hey guys, your broker Benji gets you Beaufort Lending, and it's the fourth quarter 2022. Rates are skyrocketing and the real estate market is starting to cool. It's definitely starting to cool. If you're a realtor, you're feeling the pain in the market right now. Beaufort Lending's got a solution for you for the changing market conditions. Come on inside. 2022 has been a different year. It's been a difficult year, a challenging year for most, but Beaufort Lending has committed and gone big on social media, and the results speak for themselves. If you're one of the thousands of viewers that have seen our videos, thank you for watching. I hope the videos have helped you out. But if you're a realtor, we want to share our success with you and help you generate more and more leads in this difficult real estate market. How are we going to do that? It's easy. Just head over to Beaufort Lending's Facebook page and just comment, "Add me." You're going to go through a series of questions and answers that are going to create your free listing that's going to allow you to be seen by thousands of viewers each week that can potentially connect with you immediately. So if you're interested, just comment below or DM us, "Add me," and answer the questions. You'll be all set. Have a great day from Beaufort Lending.